A commercial Bolero pickup vehicle loaded with rubber saplings met with a major accident on Monday after the driver lost control of the steering wheel on the road connecting Champaknagar to Jampuijala. No casualties or injuries were reported from the scene. According to the eyewitness accounts, the vehicle bearing registration number TR01S1751 was heading towards Jampuijala when the driver lost control while navigating a sharp bend, causing the heavily loaded utility vehicle to turtle onto the middle of the road. Reported by Raju from Champaknagar, Chini, Khorang.